Hello guys, welcome to Scotech Discovery. Today guys, I've brought you guys a very wonderful information that a lot of people will benefit. So basically what I do here is that I go out there to make an extensive research on how to make money online and so many other unique things. And when I get this stuff tested and trusted, I'll bring it forward to the public to benefit. So if you're new to my channel, please go smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop my beautiful awesome content, YouTube will be able to notify you so that you will miss any of my content. So guys, basically I just want you to know that there are numerous ways on how you can make money online, but today I just want to tell you one precise way that you need to know. A lot of people do not know this, and that is what we tag as freelancing. So basically, what is freelancing? Freelancing means you having a skill, selling the skill online, and somebody buying your skill, and they pay you irrespective of whether you be in your house or probably anywhere in part of the world. You work for someone and the person is not close to you, but you do the job and the person pay you via PayPal, via Skrill, perhaps through Bitcoin, whichever means agreed by that person. But guess what? There has to be a platform that enables such business. So those are the platform I want to share with you guys. You understand? And I'll bring it forward to you guys. And there's something I want you to know. Like I said earlier, there are numerous ways you can make money online, and one of it is that you need to have a skill. Maybe, for example, you need to learn programming, or you need to learn graphic designing, or you need to learn, let's say, you need to be a very good writer. You understand? And you need to have, maybe you can do web designing. Just having skill that somebody would look for. You understand? Having that skill. So that's how you can become a freelancer. So if you know that you don't have any skill, I'll advise you to still stay and watch this video so that you could recommend. Maybe perhaps your brother or sister could have those skills. You could recommend what I want to share with you. Please do not forget to smash the like button if you like this video, and also subscribe. So let's just get started quickly. So that's freelancing for us today, and I want to show you guys one of the websites that I'm going to be talking about is called the Fiverr.com. So Fiverr, it's one of it's spelled out Fiverr.com. I do not know if maybe I'm pronouncing it properly. So we may differ in pronunciation. So Fiverr is a place where you sell gig. What do I mean by gig? Gig is that skill I'm talking about in Fiverr. It is a terminology in Fiverr. They call it gig, meaning you have to create something of what you have to post something like an ad. I can classify it like an ad or ad. That's ad. It depends on how you pronounce it. So you post that oh, I can do this, I can do that, I can do this, I can do that. Let's say I'm a graphic designer, and let me show you a very simple example of what I'm saying. Can you see this logo? This is an example of a gig. It means that somebody is selling that, oh, I can do this logo design, and you post. Somebody who's interested in this particular logo design will contact you. So you have to. I don't want to take much of our time. It's left for you to go and explore this site. I'm only bringing to your notice this various sites so that you know them and you go explore them on how they work. Do you understand? So that's Fiverr for us. As you can see, they are telling you different things you can do. It says build your brand. It says customize your site. It says share your message, video explainer, social media, SEO, search engine optimization, and so many other things you can do. Whichever skill you have, you can put it into Fiverr. You just have to go create an account, put your country, and boom, exploit. So that's one. And let's go to the second one. The other one is what we call Upwork. Upwork actually is a United States company that I can't remember the precise city uh, Upwork is actually, but I know it's in United States of America. So and this is not just for only United States citizens, irrespective of whether you're from Africa, Asia, Antarctica, Australia, whatever, which any part of the world, you can actually, have an account with Upwork. And do not forget, you have to have a skill. Yeah, so you sign up as someone who is gonna work, who wants to offer, who wants to do the job, not as hire. Because when you want to sign up, you see through things as someone who is working or as someone who want to give people jobs. So if you know you have any skill, whether you are a good editor, a video editing, photo, whether you know how to do what's it called, proofreading, you translating, maybe you understand French language and you speak English very fluently as well. You can go to Upwork and you understand grammatical everything about that language. You, to a very large extent, you understand. You can decide to go Upwork and sell your skill. You can bid for jobs, go search for jobs. You see a lot of people that they've written books and they probably be looking for someone that would translate that book from English language to French. You can offer that, you can put in your skill, present jobs you've done previously. If you have not done any job, please, I think you need to go get your portfolio. Portfolio simply means you having, showing, you having something you can show that yes, I've done this thing before, similar thing, and I can do this. Proving yourself in summary. So that's what portfolio means. So as you can see, there are a lot of people in Upwork. So all you need to do is to sign up, put your country, and Upwork will actually give you. You have to write, I think, something like a letter, open letter, a cover letter, showing why they should, accept you. So you need to write a very convincing stuff for them. Why? And you will learn more about that. So if you really want me, I can assist you in that. Only if you just drop your comments and or probably check about this channel, go join my Facebook page as well as my Telegram, and that's on your choice. So, and please, I can assist you on that if you are interested, and that's not really compulsory. So I want to make a disclaimer that I'm only sharing I'm only sharing this information based on my experience, what I've done on these sites, and I've earned money from this site. So I don't want to be stingy. I'm bringing it to my subscriber, my fans. If you're not my subscriber, you can benefit as well. But please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You can as well smash the like button so that so many of guys like you will benefit. Please. So that's as regards Upwork. And let's move to the other website that I'm going to be talking about right now, which is talent.upstaff.com. Talent.ustaff is also a freelancing site where you showcase your skill, just like I have aforementioned as regards Upwork and Fiverr. So Talent.ustaff is, you have to sign up the same way. You put amount, like you can see this guy right now. He says, I create compelling and interesting articles, blog posts, and fiction. Where is this location? This is Bangkok, Thailand. As a writer of both fiction and non-fiction, I come with a rare kind of experience. I have lived in England, New Zealand, and you see, that is explanation. That is about himself, what he can do. And he says he's gonna work for you full-time, $30 per hour. So the people are really making it online. If you know the way, you know. If you do not know, don't say people don't make money online. A lot of people make money online. So that's talent.ustaff. But the thing here is that you must have something to sell, something, a skill. Yeah, but do not panic. Do not panic. If you do not have any skill, I'm going to be bringing how you can make money online without you having skill subsequently in my other videos. So please hit the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop my video on some content, YouTube will be able to notify you so that you won't miss any of my content. And please smash the like button so that interested persons like you will benefit from this video. And please drop your comment about this video. I really appreciate that. So let's move to the other websites. And the other website is Tagasfreelancing.com. That's you can see freelancing.com. So freelancing.com, like it says in the page, it says hire worker, bees, not drones and wherever. So that's freelancing website. You say get your gig on. Okay, like I explained earlier, what the meaning of gig, the terminology gig. I've explained earlier in the video. That's why I asked you guys not to skip this video. Watch it from the starting to the end so that you don't misunderstand everything. So you can see that's what this freelancing.com is all about. So you can as well sign up. Is all the explanation I give. Although do not forget that sometimes website varies a little. There's something I forgot to tell you about Upwork. Like Upwork, when you sign up, you are going to be given they call it, I can't really remember the name right now, but there's something. Let me just use a simple terminology. It's just like something like a coin or maybe money. They give you like 20 when you sign up. They give you for free. So you have to bid for a job with that 20. Sometimes you see jobs when they mean bid for a job, when you are trying to apply for a job, sometimes you see job for they move that stuff. They give you maybe like that coin too. Some jobs may carry 4, some jobs may carry 8. So once that stuff, that coin they give you, you exhaust it, you won't be able to apply for a job until you have to purchase it. So that's Upwork. So just on your leisure time, go explore everything yourself. But I can't really start explaining everything and the likes. And please, I want to make a disclaimer: nobody's paying me for this thing, and I just decided to tell you and share how I make money online, and so that other people as well can benefit. So please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop my video on some content, YouTube will notify you. So let's move to the other website quickly so that I won't waste much of your time. So the other one is what we call nordex.co. This is a remote job website where they actually not just you having this. Yeah, it has to you have a skill, but they are also concentrating about this new digital currency that we've been talking about, cryptocurrency. So they're actually looking, you guys, if you're someone who know about the blockchain, the cryptocurrency thing, if you're a good programmer, you know how to deal with the whole thing about cryptocurrency, you can program sometimes. There are a lot of people that they are looking for people to hire that can work with them, doing projects upon projects. So that's what this Nordex is all about as well. It says blockchain jobs, as you can see. So this basically, I would say, it's really for programmers who know about the blockchain, the crypto thing a lot. So let's just move to the other one, and so that you guys could also benefit. The other one I want to share with you guys is what we call people per hour. People per hour is also a freelancing site. So there are countless freelancing sites. There are countless. I know a lot of them, but basically this is what I just want to share with you guys. Yeah. So just do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates, and more updates on cryptocurrency, more updates on how to make money online, more updates on how to avoid loss from business and so many other things. So we talked about business here, and we must have confirmed all these things before we bring them to you guys to benefit. So as you can see here, these people per hour, it said make bright ideas happen. Find the best freelancers to deliver your projects. Can you see? So it's also a freelancing site. I think these people per hour, I don't know the current state of the people per hour right now, but I know previously they usually have some precise country that can sign up. So it's just for you to go explore them and know. So as you can see, they deal also do with content writing, search engine automation, website, a lot of things, logo design, so many other things, illustration and drawing, social media strategy. You see, there are so many things: sales and calls, admins, assistant, videography. So yeah, that's all this thing is all about. It's all about you must have a skill for you to do to become a freelancer. That's what I've been saying. Yeah, so if you don't have a skill, please try and invest in having a skill. Start reading about content writing, start reading about digital marketing. All these things, you can use them as a freelancer. Learn programming. Like I have a friend who who started learning programming, and I was so happy he knew this freelancing site. And a few days ago, sorry, they paid him. I think he did a very simple job, and they paid him $100, and he was glad. Initially, he doesn't even know how to pick the money. I have to teach him how to create a PayPal account, and which he actually, gave me some money for teaching him. So that's somebody I know in person actually. So, but right now I'm giving you these things for free, and all I'm asking for you guys, please go subscribe my channel. And the subscription is completely free. You're not paying anything. All you need to do is below this video, just go hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, like this video so that all people can benefit. So I really appreciate that. Will keep motivating me to do and bring more of these videos to you guys so that a lot of you will keep benefiting and enjoying the online stuff. So we are in a digital world, and everything is going digital, so you have to follow it the way it is. So thank you so much for watching this video. I remain Scotech Discovery.